Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? That's Kara, our German Shepherd. She's 95 pounds and just got this large wall mount dog door. Here it is. Bam. PetSafe. Let's unbox it. Here it is. I think it's big enough. Look at that. Okay, after unboxing, I made a few notations right here. Just want to let you know. You want to install the dog door right next to your stud. My measurement is right there and right there. This would be the center of the stud. So I'll be cutting the sheetrock from there to right here. A typical German Shepherd height is 25 inches, 24 inches. But since I have the baseboard right here, I will need to raise it up a little bit. This is actually 27 inches, which is fine. And the reason why you need to do that, it's because of the base right there at the bottom adds an additional height. So this is the closest I could get it to the ground, right there. Now it's time to cut, and we'll go from there. It's exactly 18 inches. Bam. Installations, I'm just gonna cut it. Here you go. Look at the corner right there. They actually want me to cut a bigger hole, but what I did was I just put a little nipple right there. That's making room for this section right here. Again, I wanted really wanted a tight fit. So that's what I did instead of cutting a bigger hole. And I did 4 corners. So let's measure this out, dry fit it. Make sure it's still plumb or squared. Yeah, line is right there. So I'm in good shape. Let's see. The line looks like it's square. Plumbed right there. Perfect. So let me go ahead and cut the external panel. But this is good to go. Okay, insert the template. Just like that. Reverse it and insert it again. Drill the hole. Do it on the other two. That will be your guide. Let's go outside. Quick note, when installing the dog door, make sure that the A is inside and B goes in the outside. Here's what we've done. We drilled through right there. Put the template back on. Right? Matching the holes. Did it that way. Draw a line. Again, I'm not going to cut right here. I'm actually going to cut conservatively, so it's going to be a tight fit. There it is. I drew it out. Measurement on that one is about 11 inches. And here we go. Again, tighter. Yeah, 11 1/4 all the way across. Maybe 1/8. So cut it conservatively and go from there. Got a bigger drill bit right here and cut from within. Here you go. Again, I didn't follow the template. The template was actually out here, and all I did is I put nipples or cut the corners like a billiard table. So it's going to be as tight as it can be, and I'd rather have it that way. Get it up, get it in there, but it's tight. There it is. How about that? Let me put the other side on. Here it is. Take a look. I'm gonna go ahead and find a way. Look at this sticking nail right there. But everything's mounted, and I'm gonna go ahead, probably screw a couple against the stud, and I'm probably gonna put a 2x4 underneath to support it a little bit. So let me sandwich it in. Here it is, fully installed. Hey Cara, just a few tips, right? I did mention that you want it as tight as possible, but I end up making the hole slightly bigger as I go through it, and the reason for that is, let me show you. This things will buckle up a little bit. See that plastic right there? It buckles up. Hang on here. Let me get right here. If the hole is too tight, you will actually kind of warp it, and therefore it's not going to be plumb. So I made the holes slightly bigger, and I also added a couple of screws to pin it down. Probably gonna add a what do you call this? A weather tape as well, and go from there. But this is it. Came out great. Let me go outside and show it to you. Hang tight. View from the outside. It's high, so I end up creating a platform for Cara, so she could jump back up and down from it. But other than that, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now.